Hey guys, this is Gaurav and today we are going to discuss about Hook One Tap Social Login Shopify app. Welcome to Shopify app tutorials. Today, let's get started. Once you have installed the app, you can see you'll see the plan for the subscription. We offer a free plan. With it, you can have around 100 logins per month, so that if you are a startup business, you can have this feature for free for your users. So this will be absolutely free for you. You will have to enable the app. Once you enable the app, you will be redirected to the app embed section. You just need to enable and just click on save it. Once you do this, let's go back to the dashboard and let me just save the changes. Let me go back to the dashboard and just reload it. I'll see it's enabled. Great. So app status is enabled now. Now let me go to the configuration, and here you will see all the configurations, all the login options we are offering. It is Google, Apple, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, and the most important feature what we have is Google One Tap Login. Here you can configure the client ID. We have given the video guide. We have given the a link from where you will get this client ID, and we have given the guide from where it has a step-by-step tutorial, so that you can simply generate your link for every feature, like for Apple, for Facebook, for LinkedIn, for X. We have given a complete step-by-step tutorial, so that you just have to watch the video and follow the procedure. Now I have Google client ID, the Apple ID, everything in my notepad. I'll just copy it and paste it over here in the configuration section, so that I can show you how it looks in the front end. Give me a moment to copy every details over here in this configuration. I'm just copying about the X, and I'll just click on the enable, so that all these login features will be enabled. I clicked on save. So app configuration is done. And set button color to white so that it can be more visible. I did that. Let me just go to the front end side, and let me just go to the login page, and here you can see all the social login buttons enabled. The user can simply click on it, and it's very easy then to log in as a user on your store. This will improve your customer experience at next level. You can see the customer is logged in. You can also see this Google One Tap feature. Customer just has to click on the continue and he'll be logged in. So one tap. Thank you so much.